Aloha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you some brand new cases for our Oneplus 6 from Tudia. I want to say thank you very much for allowing me to check out these cases, but let's not waste any time. Let's see how they look on our Oneplus 6. We have two different styles of cases. There's the merge style and then there's the Arch S. And then I was able to get a couple of colors in each one of those. We'll go ahead and check them out on our Oneplus 6. Again, remember that the Oneplus 6 now is actually glass on glass, so you're more prone to damaging the actual back than it was in the past. A case is always going to be the best option to be able to protect our device. Okay, we're going to start it off with the Arch S. This is the clear one. It does actually have a little bit of a smoky effect to it. And just putting your device one side in, one side in. This is a one-piece case, so there's no two tones, where the merge does actually have two pieces. Power button here, volume rocker, access to the alert slider, microphone, headphone jack, all the ports are open, and of course the camera. There's a little bit of a kind of an incline here so that it helps guide your finger to it. And then other than that, it works great with the Oneplus 6 glass protector. This is the official one from Oneplus. By far one of the best installations I was able to do on this, and not only that, it is also case compatible. So just to show you guys again how it looks, it just has a very nice effect. Now if this was the white one, this would definitely look even better, as it would just permeate through the actual case itself. But very nice. There's a little bit of a lip here to be able to help protect the display so that it's not sitting on the table. And it looks really good. And they do give us another black one here. This one looks really nice. There's that additional grip here, so you have a really good grip on your device. The alert slider access, fingerprint sensor, and that little groove I was talking to you guys about. And of course it does work really nice with the glass protector, as it actually ever so slightly sits around it and no pressure on it. So really going to be happy with this. If you have a glass protector or a regular protector, this is going to work very nice. So the first one we're going to look at is the metallic slate. This is a two-piece case. There's the soft rubber on the inside to protect our device, and of course the harder shell on the outside. Slide in one side and then put in the other, and it works again the same way as the Arch cases. Alert slider access, make sure you pop that in here so it stays flush. And of course we have the microphone, top and bottom, access to all of that. And from an aesthetic standpoint, this one has a more pronounced dip in here with the fingerprint sensor. So you're able to basically kind of slide your finger, get access to it. Works great with the glass, and it just really fits it very nice. They do have additional cases that you're able to pick up, or other colors for the same design, so that you're not necessarily stuck with the metallic case. So able to switch over to a matte black type of a case. So slide it in one side, slide it in the other, same thing. Glass protectors very well installed. Microphone on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, and it just looks really nice. Again, much better as far as fingerprint imprints on the back of the display. You're still able to see the color accents and that nice little bit. I hope you guys like these cases. There's additional colors that you guys can check out. I'll give you guys a link in the description below. Keep in mind, glass on glass is very prone to cracks and damage, so having a case on our Oneplus 6 will always be important. There'll also be a link in the description below if you're thinking of picking up the Oneplus 6 and you want to save $20 on your order. This is TK. I want to say thank you very much to Tudia for allowing me to check out these cases, and thank you very much for the support for all these years. I'll see you guys in the next video.